Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSim that will work in USA. The link and coupon will be in the description and open description or open website voyafly.com and description link and open this and write this USA and open this and scroll down and select unlimited data or fixed. I recommend unlimited and select light, plus or premium speed. I am select premium and select your days. I am select 30 days and scroll down and click on buy it now. Click on this and write discount code ROAM tips and click on apply. Order discount ROAM tips and these dollars. This is very good, and click on Google Pay and buy eSim, or write email, write payment, write billing address and click on buy now and open your page and buy eSim and send your email address, QR code and activation instruction. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me.